Welcome, everyone. We've got a wonderful program lined up for today. We're so excited to get into the natural world in a soulful way today. It's been exciting to see the surprise of our speakers at how many people have come in and are interested in this. And as I said yesterday, sometimes the alchemical path can feel like a lonely one, but it needn't be. There are many people out there studying this art and way of seeing the world, and we can find one another. Welcome to the third day of the Alchemical Revival Symposium. My name is Ben Klocek, and this is Joe with me here, Joe Cooling. And the third day is about nature, alchemy, and art. And we have a wonderful group of speakers today. I am especially excited with Dr. Stephen Harding, who we have up first. He really brings a depth of connection to the being of the earth that I am so delighted to see was able to be a part of this presentation. We also have Brian Cotnoir. He's an artist and alchemist. We'll be sharing some things about the Emerald Tablet. We have Courtney Cosgrave. She is an herbalist and a beekeeper, sharing some of her experiences working with the wild alchemists, the bees. And then we'll wrap up with a wonderful presentation by Stuart Lundy, who's a biodynamic researcher, farmer, gardener, and teacher. And he dives deep into some esoteric pictures that can really help elaborate the relationship we can build with the earth. And it's not just one of matter, but one also of spirit.